Oh, by the way, you're going to save $73 with shipping. Is that okay? Okay, cool. Glad we got that out of the way. Rosalie, it's so good to see you again. I feel like it's been forever and a day.
I know, right? And it's so great to be here because truly this is my personal #1 training system. I've been here talking Total Gym for over 25 years. I'm 61 and I feel better at 61 than I did at 35 when we first started. But yeah, the Total Gym, no matter where you are on your fitness journey, I don't want you to be frightened to get started. Jen, we say muscle knows no age. We live in such an information-rich time where we now can be proactive and really make a great dent in our health.
So the big question, of course, when people see something like this, I'm sure, A, like, is it easy for me to put together? Can I just tell you it's fully assembled? All right, so I'm going to get that right out of the way right now. And then also, people are going to look at this and go, what kind of workout am I getting with this? Like, what kind of exercises can I do with this? Can you believe there are over 100 different exercises that you can do with the Total Gym? You're going to have your favorites, all right? Rosalie has some of hers.
Yes.
And we usually get to this a little bit later when we have a full hour together. We don't have that luxury. So, Rosalie, are you down for a 60-second clock, please?
Let's do it. All I'm going to do is attach my cables.
You get set up.
Because, again, with your cables, you can do a complete body workout. Again, if you're just starting and you're like, wow, look at all those accessories, you know, is it complicated?
Yeah.
No, you can actually do a full workout, and I'm just attaching the cable. So if you're just starting, start with me right now.
All right, clock, go.
And we've got a rowing machine, get that heart rate up, working your back muscles. We have a bicep machine, working the arms. How about an outer hip and thigh machine? How about an assisted ab machine? You can challenge yourself more by really attacking the abs with more challenging moves. How about triceps? If you want to firm the back of your arms, tricep kicks, a lat pull down machine. Again, these are all the exercises that you can do at a traditional gym, but now in your home. Ab twists. You want to carve out your core. This is a must. If I rotate again, push-ups, chest work.
Oh, push-ups without getting on the floor. I love you.
And shoulders. Again, shape those shoulders. Pilates, you can go right into the Pilates 100. If I want to firm the upper chest, a favorite, Jen, this feels so good. More ab work with extensions as well.
I'm giving you one bonus. One more bonus.
All right, and more triceps.
All right. I counted 14, but I'm not going to lie. I think I may have lost count there at one point. It may actually be more than that, but 14. And while we do that for fun to try to pack in as many as we can, here's what I was actually thinking in my head while I was counting exercises. The cost of each and every one of those circuit training machines in a gym or a home gym, the space that it takes up, the learning curve for all of those, the intimidation in a gym setting. I really don't care how great a shape you're in. I can tell you about all of us when we go into a gym, we still look around and we feel intimidated because there's always somebody who, I swear, lives in that gym. And then you're always thinking, oh, do I need to get new workout clothes and new shoes and all the things, right? Your trainer is right here. A training deck of dozens and dozens of different workouts, a wall chart so that you can follow along, streaming videos so that you always have an assisted workout, and DVDs including Rosalie Brown. But more importantly than that, a value you can't find anywhere. It is right there on your screen, lowest price. And I know we have the if purchase separately of $2,300. I like to compare apples to apples. Our price at QVC is going to be $2,000. $2,000. Now, if this is the only piece of fitness equipment that you need for the rest of your life, $2,000, I'm not going to add up how short a period of time it took me to get to that point with a gym membership. But anyway, instead of $2,000, we're at $679. I know you're asking about special financing, and guess what? If you shop with your Q card, it breaks down to $56 a month because you have 12 months of interest-free special financing. Come with me. I'm going to show you these color choices again. And oh, that's good news, Mike. All right, so if you sign up for a Q card, we've got a $60 account credit. I don't know how we make this any easier, except delivery to your door, except no assembly, except 30 days to try it out. If you don't love it, you send it back. If you're not happy with your wellness right now, and I don't just mean how you fit in clothes, that's important, right? But I mean all of the health metrics, all of the wellness metrics, the confidence level, being able to bend down, pick up your grandkids. Here it is in the blue, very popular. Okay, and we only have 1,000 remaining. Yellow is the most limited, 650. And only at QVC is the green color choice. 950 remain. I've heard from people who have had their Total Gyms for over 20 years. Like the same one, right? They didn't even upgrade. They got the same one. Maybe they added some attachments, right? But over 20 years. And if you factor in the fact that, well, yeah, it's a piece of equipment that lasted you 20 years, but more importantly, Rosalie, this is a workout that people return to for 20 years.
Exactly, because this one comes with 15 levels of incline. It's like having 15 different sets of weights. This is the ultimate. You're also getting one of the most desired accessories, your ab crunch accessory. And because Total Gym has been around for many, many years, Jen, you could do a different Total Gym workout for 2 to 3 years.
I was going to say.
You know, there's thousands of Total Gym workout, and it depends how you learn. Some people love working with the wall chart. Some people love the DVDs that come along with it. Some people love Total Gym TV. So whatever works best for you. But the bottom line is, again, we've got to get started somewhere. And why with the Total Gym is because it allows you to move your body better.
Can I just say, I know that she's talking through it like it's no big whoop, but that is one killer ab workout that
Yes.
she is doing right now. And you know what she's not doing? She's not on the floor. She's not doing crunches. She's not pulling on her neck. It actually has been used in physical therapy before. This is about being kinder to your joints. Can you imagine if we all started trying to do like jump squats? I mean, I don't care how great a shape you're in, it's one of the most miserable exercises for anybody to do.
Agree.
And you're doing the equivalent of that on the included squat stand. I think we have another testimonial lined up for us to take a look at because it literally is changing lives, including Danielle's.
Hi, my name is Danielle, and this was me about 2 years ago. I was very unhealthy. I'd been overweight my entire life. I was very uncomfortable with myself. So one day I was flipping through channels on the television and I saw the commercial for the Total Gym. And I thought, wow, that's something even I could do at home with my busy schedule. So I bought the Total Gym and I discovered I really, truly enjoyed working out. I noticed results within the first couple of weeks of just using the Total Gym. I immediately started losing weight, and then once I started noticing the results, it pushed me to go even further. And so I would want to work out more because I did enjoy it too. You can do weight training, you can do cardio, you can do just about anything that there is to do on the Total Gym at home on a compact machine that you can fold up and put away. So in this picture, I was 210 pounds. Now I'm 110 pounds and I'm in the best shape of my life.
I got literal chills.
Right, and
when
that's 6 years ago. And we just
she's
talked-
been on the air.
Yes,
with us.
and we just talked to her last night, and she's maintained that. Not only has she maintained the 100-pound weight loss, she's now at 110-pound weight loss. And again, what she did was she got her Total Gym here at QVC, and she popped in the 14 workout challenge DVD. That's where she started, but she started off down at level 1.
Oh, I love that. Can I just say, that's how I started my weight loss and fitness journey, was I gave myself just a few weeks. I'm like, you know what, Jen? See if you could do it for 3 weeks. If you can't do it for 3 weeks, then maybe you're just not ready, right? But it begins this upward spiral, and you feel better every day, and you can't imagine going back, which is why we're thrilled to take $1,300 off that price today. Who's ever heard of that kind of a discount? Green, exclusive. Yellow.